This is a nail repair. It comes in a box. As you can see, it's plastic wrapped completely, so you know it hasn't been messed with or tampered. I have removed it from the box. This is the ingredients, directions for use, cautions, how to store it, the effects. It comes with a little small file as well as the bottle. See, as you can see, the bottle is not completely full. It's about, I don't know, 3/4 full, but there is quite a bit that's not full. It has a dropper to put it on. It's a dark color. It has a little bit of an odor, but not too bad.